Introducing the next-generation auto steering system, the FJD AT2 Max auto steer system. Paired with a new 12-inch display with a viewing size of 261 by 163 millimeters, the AT2 Max increases the viewing area by 46%. The narrow bezel design offers higher screen-to-body ratio, showing how your viewing experience is cared for. The new UI allows you to display the ISO bus control interface in full screen and up to 24 sections on the same screen. The new dark gray color retains the coolness of the metal's original texture, while giving it a gentle touch. But the benefits don't stop here. The new SIM slot is more compact, so you won't get stuck with issues such as card jamming or misalignment. The AT2 Max also offers open interfaces for more integrations to satisfy your needs. The leather steering wheel offers a notable upgrade in driving comfort, helping you grip and control better than ever before. The upgraded CPU delivers 170% more processing power and up to 4 times faster speed, handling complex tasks effortlessly. With the upgraded 4GB RAM, you can enjoy faster response without waiting too long. Maximum, even optimum. FJD AT2 Max.